In September 2008, I left for Milan Fashion Week to shoot a new season of Funky Zeit. Brüno had backstage access for the hottest show of the week, De La Prada, so I wore the jewel of my wardrobe, a suit made entirely out of Velcro. I'm wearing this. This is a prototype. It's a Velcro suit made by Frederick Worm.
Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
It is. I was looking at it, and can I have one?
Well, it's a prototype. It's a one-off.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. One moment.
Obrigada, don't push me.
Yeah. Okay. No, listen. We haven't finished the thing. Yeah. Yeah. Wait a second. Take it. Just a sec.
Stop.
Get me out of it. Get me out of it. Brüno was aus. For the second time in a century, the world had turned on Austria's greatest man, just because he was brave enough to try something new. Brüno was schwarzlisted. I'm on the front row.
I don't think so.
You don't remember me? I've been here 14 times.
I'm sorry.
We had sex 9 times.
I'm sorry.
You try to make my face perfect. And first of all, hello? Ich was fired from Funky Zeit. Ich realized that night that the fashion world was superficial and vacuous. So, I decided instead to go to Los Angeles to become a celebrity. Ich was going to be the biggest Austrian superstar since Hitler.